Hey everyone, it's Becca. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry if my makeup and my hair and all that looks a little worse for wear. Pretty exhausted today, just got back from work, so my makeup's been on for like 9.5 hours, just about, so quite a long time. So this is what I'm working with. But anyway, if you hear noise, my cat is on my bed. I just got a package from Sigma, a couple cool makeup brush, one of their new items, and then another brush cleaning item, and so she is loving that box right now. As soon as I opened it, I left it there because I thought she might like it, and I was right. She's cuddled up right in there right now, so hopefully she won't meow, but you might hear some tissue paper. So I am going to be doing my Sephora Play January unboxing, but as always, let's talk about last month's products first. Let me just pull it up here. Okay, so last month we got the Makeup Forever lipstick. I do believe I used that and I liked it. I didn't love the scent, but I liked the color. The next was the SMASHBOX Cover Shot Eye Palette in the color Soft Light, I believe. And I haven't worn those yet, but I do plan to. I do want to. The next was the Dry Bar Triple Sec 3-in-1 product. I have not used that yet, but I will hopefully get to that. The perfume I have not worn yet, the Dr. Jart Cicapair Tiger, whatever that is. I've not used that yet, unfortunately. And the Clinique pen, I have not used that, unfortunately, yet. So bad month in terms of me using products, but I'm still trying to get through all the new products I have, so apologize about that. But here's the bag for this month. There goes my cat. I do like this. This is 2018 Happy You Year. I like the blue there. It's very pretty. Got our card for the month. This product is still cold because I just picked this package up from my front doorstep. But this is the GLAMGLOW Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. Ooh, that sounds very interesting. Let's read a little more about it here. Love that they have the card, as always. It says, at home with foam. Ultra creamy cleanser uses a blend of 3 charcoals to clear pores and remove excess oils and makeup. Still, this whole charcoal thing is still trending, but that looks very interesting. I'm excited to try that because it's supposed to moisturize your skin while cleansing, so that's cool. The next thing in here, it's the SMASHBOX Photo Finish Primerizer. I have this and love this, but this is great because this did just recently come out, I believe. Looks like a pretty good size there. And it says, lightweight, non-greasy primer, moisturizer, delivers deep hydration while prepping skin for makeup. I am actually probably going to give this to my cousin. I think I already have another sample of this somewhere, or maybe not, but I'm definitely going to give this to my cousin because I told her she might be interested to try it here with, you know, winter time, skin being, not cold, skin being dry, and cold, but dry. I did, though, use it today, and this is the first time it's kind of pilled up, and kind of like flaked off. I don't know if it was because my skin was too hydrated or I hadn't let my moisturizer really sink in before I then put this on. But I didn't use a different moisturizer. I didn't really use a different foundation. I used one I'd used multiple times before with this. So it is weird. It just really didn't work today. That's the only day I've had a problem with. Okay, the next thing in here is, okay, so I just realized, I guess they don't have a perfume in here. That's why there's that extra skincare item. So that's okay. I think I prefer to have one perfume, even though it's a tiny sample, instead of 2 skincare, but it's cool they're trying out something different. So this is the LANCôME CILS Booster XL Super Enhancing Mascara Base. That's awesome. I loved always trying out new white primer bases. It does a creamy conditioning primer that preps lashes for smooth application and a boost of drama. Awesome. I'm excited to try that. I definitely will try that this month. And then the last thing is, this is kind of, I guess, the smaller sample that we get, but it still is a decent amount, even though it is a foil packet. Oh, okay, sorry. I just realized when I was talking about the OLEHENRIKSEN, I think I was reading the BRIOGEO. So I got the OLEHENRIKSEN Detox Mask, and that's for your skin. And then we got the BRIOGEO Deep Despair Repair Mask, a rich, nourishing hair mask that moisturizes and protects strands. So there's that. I think I mixed it up maybe with the detox mask for your face, which is by OLEHENRIKSEN. Then we also got the Clinique Pep-Start eye cream. Okay, I mixed up a couple of those. Sorry about that. So this is the Clinique Pep-Start eye cream. It's a pep in your step, a hydrating and brightening under eye cream that's easy to pop in your bag for pick-me-ups throughout the day. It says using a circular motion, apply a small amount directly to under eye area in the morning or as needed throughout the day. That sounds nice. This is the OLEHENRIKSEN Hygge HydraClay Detox Mask. And it's a gentle clay mask that draws out impurities and replenishes moisture with 5 botanical oils. It's calming. Formula is perfect for sensitive skin. It says leave on for 10 minutes and rinse with a warm washcloth. Cool, that sounds interesting. Great, so yeah, we got the hair mask, the face mask, the eye mask, lots of masks, the SMASHBOX Primerizer, which I love and will be passing along, the LANCôME primer, mascara primer, and then the GLAMGLOW cleanser. So actually we kind of got 3 or 4 depending what you classify the SMASHBOX Primerizer as, skincare products, 1 hair care product, and then really only 1 makeup product, which it's a primer, so it's not even like a color makeup product. So, I mean, not my favorite. I mean, I am excited about these products, but like I said, skincare and hair care are not my favorite. I really do prefer the makeup, but there was that. I'm still not disappointed. I think it was, you know, a decent bag, decent size samples, and I do like the bag itself, and I love getting the 50 points there, as long as you have to use it in store, but you know, I do like getting that. So yeah, this month is not too bad. Not the best month, but not the worst, I don't think. So yeah, hopefully I will get to use some of these products, probably not all of them, but some of them this month, and I'll update you guys in February's bag video. So anyway, I hope you guys are all doing well, and until next time, bye everyone.